Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you notice that your lips get dry, chapped and they look pigmented? Then that's because it could be an adverse effect of the environmental condition, the weather, the dryness in the air, the heat or humidity that may really cause pigmentation on your lips, and it can also result in dryness and chappiness on your lip area. Now, as a matter of fact, the skin on our lips is the most sensitive and the most thinnest on our body, which is why we actually should take extra care of our lips as a part of our daily beauty ritual. So first things first, just like how we exfoliate our face or our body, it's important to exfoliate the dead skin cells from the lip area. So for that, I just take a homemade mixture of sugar and olive oil and I apply it thoroughly on my lips. I massage this mixture gently for about a minute, and that's going to be thrice a week. Now, the thumb rule to keep your lips hydrated and moisturized at all times and to prevent any sort of dryness or chappiness, it's very important to drink lots and lots of water on an everyday basis just to hydrate your body from within, and also to apply a good lip balm. Lipsticks cause a lot of darkening of your lips, so which is why it's very important to see if the lipstick that you're actually using is good for your lips or not. So I recently came across the Plum Matte in Heaven liquid lipsticks. While I definitely love the skincare and hair care range by Plum, I wanted to try these gorgeous lipsticks. The Matte in Heaven liquid lipsticks have 10 gorgeous shades to choose from. From beautiful rosy pinks to cherry reds to minimal nudes, there's something for all the skin tones. Now, I love the fact that Plum is always so inclusive and thinks about literally everyone. They are absolutely cruelty free and they're 100% vegan. The formula is phthalate free, sulfate free. They're absolutely safe to be applied on your lips. They have a very long lasting power that goes up to 8 hours, and they deliver a very high performance, and I feel that they don't even burn a hole in your pocket. I love the packaging. It's quite easy to use and carry. These sit like second skin on the lips due to its lightweight formula while delivering high pigmentation in just one single swipe. Can you see how beautiful the color payoff is? And even the applicator wand has just got a soft touch and is curved to lip shapes properly. After the application, once the liquid lipstick has 100% dried down, I notice that the formula is still very lightweight. It's just super lightweight and they're highly pigmented. They've got a beautiful color payoff. Unlike the usual liquid lipsticks that make your lips dry, chappy and really dehydrated, it's not the case with these liquid lipsticks because this has vitamin E in its formulation, which really nourishes the lips. So these lipsticks are absolutely transfer proof. They are smudge proof at the same time. I'm going to show you this right away. See, there is just no stain on the back of my hand, and I'm also going to show you if it really transfers anything on the rim of the glass. See, there is just no stain on the rim. So these lipsticks are definitely passing all the tests with flying colors. They're actually 100% safe to be used on the lips at the same time. So this is definitely a big thumbs up. Now let's begin with the swatching one by one. So I totally love these. Definitely buy them for yourself. They are going to be my next go-to liquid lipsticks whenever I'm getting ready. So I'm going to have all the links in the description box below, and also have a coupon code for you all, using which you can avail a 10% on all the products of Plum. So definitely check it out, and I will see you guys soon.